Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to open a BluPeak savings account. Opening a BluPeak savings account is a straightforward process, but you first need to become a member of the credit union. Membership is a key requirement. You're eligible for membership if you live, work, or worship in specific California counties, or if you are affiliated with the state of California or the University of California system. You might also be eligible if you're an immediate family member of an existing BluPeak credit union member. Once you confirm your eligibility, you can begin the application process. The most convenient way to apply is online through the BluPeak credit union website. You can also visit one of their branch locations if you prefer to apply in person. To streamline the process, have some information ready. You will need a valid government-issued photo ID, your social security number, and a physical address. You'll also need an email address and a way to make your initial deposit, such as a credit or debit card, or a U.S. checking account number and routing number. With your information and initial deposit ready, you can complete the application. BluPeak offers several types of savings accounts, each with different features and minimum opening balances. For example, some accounts might require a minimum of $5 or $25 to open. You can choose the account that best fits your financial goals. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.